60 miles per hour wind gust.
The whole intent of our winter preparedness is really to make sure that we catch anything that needs to be repaired before the winter time, and to make sure that our system is fully ready for the extreme weather that we might have in the winter time.
Oncor is a transmission, distribution, power line delivery company. All we do is maintain and manage those lines. We don't generate power.
From a winter preparedness standpoint, every year we fly the lines, and in some places we actually use drones to even get a closer look and inspect the lines.
Our field personnel, we actually have distribution operation technicians that their jobs are to monitor the feeders every day, day in and day out.
And they can perform visual inspections and they can identify potential issues that are imminent and need to be replaced at that time.
We could even see some minor ice accumulations.
Whether it's in the extreme winter conditions or summer conditions.
Expecting max snow accumulations of about 3 inches north and west of DFW, around 1 to 2 inches along I-20 and points south.
We are looking for solutions and proactively addressing these before they become of concern.
This is a 138 distribution transformer. I go through all the equipment, make sure everything is in the operation it should be. All the switches are closed, they're supposed to be closed. All the switches are open, they're supposed to be open.
And it's checking heaters in the cabinets, checking oil levels on transformers.
We proactively try to find things before they happen. Some of our technology today even allows our meters to tell us if a transformer is about to go bad.
All our substations have remote communicating capabilities. That's what we call our SCADA system. And the SCADA system goes to one of 3 locations that we have that have 24/7 monitoring.
Over the last several years, Oncor has invested in an array of distribution automation technologies to improve the resilience of the distribution network. With these smart technologies, we have been able to reduce outages from what could have been hours down to minutes.
We actually monitor the weather. You could almost say our second job is weathermen.
And as of this morning, there is a winter storm watch in place for North Texas.
As we're monitoring the weather, we're actually days in advance getting ready for a potential event.
Trees can get into the electric lines and cause interruptions in service. So with that one, we try to prevent outages before they happen. So this year we'll trim a little over 3,000 miles with that program. One of the concerns we have in the vegetation management program in wintertime is ultimately ice accumulation. So ice can accumulate on trees, causing them to become heavy, and they can either sag into electric lines or they can break and fall into the electric lines. Both of those causing interruptions.
In order to be prepared for winter at our work locations or service centers, we are proactively ensuring that we are stocked with ample supply of materials and equipment. For example, poles or cross arms, transformers.
We have our battery charger. So, we're doing our part. Our equipment's set, we're ready. Every guy here, every man and woman, we're ready, we're at our stations. These are our relays.
We are always watching the weather. We always know when we need to be prepared to respond, and we're ready whenever it hits.